This is Joey here at Best Trailers in Byron, Georgia. Here we have a 24-foot deckover flatbed equipment trailer by Down to Earth. The Down to Earth does the dual 10,000 pound jacks on all their gooseneck deckovers. You've got a spare tire mount up on the tongue. Step to get up on the side rails. You've got stake pockets running the full length of the trailer with a rub rail, as well as DOT tape, high reflective DOT tape going down the sides of the trailer. Now this was a 14,000 pound trailer, so it's got two 7,000 pound axles. Give you a payload of approximately 10,000 pounds on this trailer. You've got LED bullet lights on the sides of the trailer, LED lights on the rear of the trailer as well. Now on a 24-foot trailer, that'll be 20 foot of flat deck and then a 4-foot dovetail. This one has the upgraded heavy-duty ramps. They're a little bit wider, got extra bracing on the inside of them. You have the adjustable drop leg on the jack, as well as a spring assist in here. And again, LED lights on the back of the trailer, fully all the way around. Treated 2x8 wood floor. That also has a powder-coated paint system on their trailers, so you got a real heavy-duty coating on there. Come see us today in Byron, Georgia. 478-654-5350.